Superheroes, big and small, saving the day, they help us all. Learning letters, A to Z. Come and sing along with me. I is for incredible, iguana climbing up the wall. J is for jumping jack, while leaping big and tall. K is for kind kangaroo, bouncing up so high. L is for lightning lion, roaring through the sky. They run, they jump, they fly, they glide, super ABCs by our side. Every hero has a power, now it's time to learn some more. M is for mighty monkey, swinging tree to tree. N is for ninja newt, sneaky as can be. O is for owl, wise and so cool. P is for powerful panda, leading the school. Superheroes, big and small, saving the day, they help us all. Learning letters, A to Z. Come and sing along with me. Q is for quick, running fast. R is for rocket cocoon, zooming past. S is for strong squirrel, climbing high. T is for thunder tiger, loud in the sky. U is for ultra urchin, swimming in the sea. V is for valiant vulture, soaring wild and free. W is for wonder whale, splashing all around. X is for X-ray fish, deep where it's found. Y is for young yak, climbing up so tall. Z is for zippy zebra, fastest of them all. ABC, superheroes, one and all.